So I installed these new Bora storage racks here. I really like them. They're very lightweight, pretty inexpensive. They hold a lot. The thing I don't like and why I kind of spent so long not doing this is because this is really hard to get in and out of, because you've got two rails, one on each side, and you've got the middle rail for the garage door opener to slide through. And so putting those long pieces of plywood up there is really, really not comfortable, and I don't like to get on ladders with big heavy things. So I really did it because I didn't think I had a choice. Because if we go over here to my existing storage, which is just a mess, sorry, I'm in the middle of cleaning up and multiple projects. Here is the storage that I built several years ago based off a design that a friend of mine did when he sells wood, and this is kind of what he did. And so this works pretty well, except for the fact I've got too much and it's just overflowing everywhere, etc. And then behind it, so this is mostly for boards, so just standard lumber and stuff. The way I did it is behind it, I created this, in order to get the angle there, I ended up with this space in the back, and that lets me put in plywood. But it's really for only pieces of plywood, like half sheets, whole sheets, etc. And it works really well at that. But I ended up with a bunch of inventory that was actually just slices of stuff, like the stuff on the bottom I bought from a laser cutter person not too far from me, and it's 1/4 inch plywood, and it's just 12 inches wide and 8 feet long. And so that's great, except for the fact that it's really hard to store. And so anyway, so this is what I ended up with. You'll notice that things are really not exactly symmetrical as far as where they go, because that's where I found studs. So I don't know if that's the way it is, or if I just couldn't find the one in the middle there on the left, but that's how I came up with it. So anyway, so like I said, this is not ideal. I waited a very long time before doing this because, like I said, I just don't like to get up on ladders with things, but that's how it goes. So again, just kind of keep iterating your workshop as you go. So this is what I did today. Thanks.